What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Jalani, and not too long ago, I was creating content on my phone with zero strategy, inconsistent views, and no idea how to actually make money doing what I love. Fast forward to today, I'm running a successful creative brand, getting paid to create, and helping other creators do the same through my site, 10lionscreatoracademy.com.
Hope this video helps. If so, like this and hit that subscribe button.
So in this video, I'm breaking down 4 apps every content creator needs to start making money right now in 2025. Whether you're in music, lifestyle, beauty, gaming, or podcasting. Stick around to the very end because I'll show you how I personally use these tools together to turn my content into consistent income and how you can too. First up, Chat GPT. This is your creative assistant in your pocket. You can use it to brainstorm video ideas, write captions, come up with viral hooks, and even generate full scripts for your videos. For example, if you're in the music niche, you can tell Chat GPT, write 5 short form videos to promote my new single without sounding corny. It'll give you content that fits your tone and audience instantly. If you're in beauty or fashion, ask it for SEO optimized Pinterest titles and winter outfit ideas. That's literally how you grow traffic organically. Pro tip, inside my digital product, the Viral Hooks and Caption Pack, I show you how to pair the ChatGPT prompts with emotional triggers to explode your engagement and conversions. So yeah, ChatGPT isn't just AI, it's your strategy partner. Next is Opus Clip, the app that saves creators hours every single week. If you're creating podcasts, interviews, or long form YouTube videos, Opus Clip automatically turns your long form content into viral short clips with captions, emojis, and automatic punch-in edits. For example, if you're a podcaster, this is how you repurpose your best moments into shareable reels for TikTok and Instagram. For coaches or educators, you can turn your live sessions into mini clips that promote your full courses or digital products. Pro tip, in my content creator starter pack on 10lionscreatoracademy.com, I show you exactly how to use Opus Clip to repurpose your content into 7 days of posts from one video. Our third app we got is Canva, the ultimate design app for creators who aren't designers. Whether you need YouTube thumbnails, Instagram carousels, or ebook covers for your digital products, Canva has you covered. For example, if you're in the fitness niche, you can use Canva templates to create before and after transformations, workout guides, and branded social posts. If you're in the fashion niche, design a lookbook or style mood board using Canva to showcase your content visual. I'm proficient in Photoshop, so I usually use Photoshop for like different things like YouTube thumbnails and whatnot, but Canva is it's user friendly and it's so helpful with the templates that Canva has that it takes the time that I would use to make designs or thumbnails on Photoshop and it cuts it in half just by using their templates. I would definitely recommend using Canva. It has a free option that you can use Canva and like it's a little bit limited for free, or you could pay, I think, what is it, like $9 or $10 a month to use it with unlimited access to it, but I personally use it for free. And finally, CapCut. This is the video editing app that every beginner should master. You can edit, add effects, music, transitions, and captions all from your phone. For example, if you're in the gaming niche, you can edit your reaction clips or gameplay highlights quickly. If you're in the lifestyle or travel niche, you can create cinematic reels using CapCut's trending templates literally in minutes. I literally use CapCut for almost all of my content, whether it's my podcast or whether it's doing YouTube videos like this one. CapCut literally helps me edit all my videos because it's user friendly and it doesn't take long to quote unquote master or learn how to use it effectively. All right guys, when I started out, I didn't have fancy gear. I didn't have a big team, just my phone, free apps, and the mindset to keep learning. Now I'm able to create full time, build digital income streams, and teach others how to do the exact same thing. So remember, ChatGPT helps you plan and write. Opus Clip repurposes your long form videos. Canva makes your visuals look professional, and CapCut brings it all to life. Start using these 4 tools today and combine them with the resources on my website, 10lionscreatoracademy.com. I promise your content, your brand, and your income will all level up this year.
I hope this video helps. If so, like this and hit that subscribe button.
Comment below your name, where you're from, what your goals are, what kind of content, what your niche is. If you have any questions, I'll be sure to answer all the questions that I receive. If not, I'll make a video answering the questions if you guys want. And remember, it's not about having the most followers, it's about building the most impact. I really hope this helps. Check out the website, sign up for the email list, and I'll see you guys next time.